Look guys, I have a nice nail color for today. I made it last night. It's golden. See? I did it by myself because I like it. Look at my slippers. It's beige. Like my slippers color as my skin. This nice color. I didn't went to salon because it's too expensive. I like it DIY, do it with myself because I know it's very nice to clean up your nail by yourself. It's safe also because in the salon they murder my nails, get hurt. But by yourself, if you do it by yourself, you won't get your hurt. Your nails will be happy and your toes. See, I like that. Nice, no? Thank you for watching.